Voice your concerns, navigating difficult conversations. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very useful English phrase, voice your concerns. This is a powerful expression, especially in professional and personal communication. Understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your English language skills. So, let's get started. Voice your concerns is a phrase that means to express your worries, doubts, or problems openly. The word voice here is used as a verb, meaning to express or articulate. Concerns refer to worries or issues you might have. This phrase is often used in situations where you need to discuss something that is bothering you, especially in a respectful and constructive manner. You can use voice your concerns in various scenarios, at work, in school, or even in personal relationships. It's most appropriate in formal or semi-formal settings. Here's how you can use it. In meetings, I would like to voice my concerns about the new project timeline. In personal conversations, I need to voice my concerns about our current living situation. In emails or letters, I am writing to voice my concerns regarding the recent policy changes. Let's look at some examples to understand the usage better. Workplace. If you feel a decision might affect the team negatively, you can say, I'd like to voice my concerns about this strategy. School or college. If a new rule seems unfair, a student might say, we want to voice our concerns about the new attendance policy. Personal relationships. If something is bothering you, you might tell a friend, I think I should voice my concerns about how we handle disagreements. While voice your concerns is a great phrase, there are alternatives. Express your reservations, raise a point about, speak up about, address issues regarding, highlight concerns about. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of voice your concerns. Remember, it's all about expressing your worries in a clear and respectful way. Don't hesitate to use this phrase when you need to discuss important issues. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.